Hello friends, today we are discussing Set English Literature Question Paper 2019, questions from 41 to 55. The first question is, in the beginning of this classic American novel, Isabel Archer, the heroine, sets out for Europe to affront her destiny. The options are option A, the Princess Casamassima, option B, Daisy Miller, option C, The Portrait of a Lady, option D, What Maisie Knew. The correct answer is option C, The Portrait of a Lady. The correct answer is option C, The Portrait of a Lady. Option A, The Princess Casamassima is about an intelligent but confused young London bookbinder Hyacinth Robinson. Then Daisy Miller, it's about the story of a pretty American girl named Daisy Miller and who is traveling around the world with her mother and brother. What Maisie Knew is the story, it tells us about the story of a little girl Maisie and her parents' divorce. Maisie and her parents' divorce. The next question, question number 42. The first American playwright to win the Nobel Prize in Literature was option A, Eugene O'Neill, option B, Tennessee Williams, option C, Arthur Miller, option D, Sinclair Lewis. The correct answer given in answer key is option A, Eugene O'Neill, but he received a Nobel Prize in the year 1936. The correct answer is option D, Sinclair Lewis, and he received a Nobel Prize in the year 1930. The next question, question number 43. I speak 3 languages, write in 1, write in 2, dream in 1, identify the speaker. Option A, Raja Rao, option B, R.K. Narayan, option C, Kamala Das, option D, Meena Alexander. The correct answer is option C, Kamala Das. The correct answer is option C, Kamala Das. Next question, question number 44. Bakka is the protagonist of the novel. Option A, Untouchable, option B, Coolie, option C, The Cat and Shakespeare, option D, Kantapura. The correct answer is the Untouchable. The correct answer is option A, Untouchable. Option B, Coolie revolves around the story of a 14-year-old boy Munnu, and also the novel is against British rule and Indian caste system. Then see, The Cat and Shakespeare, the subtitle is A Tale of India, and it's about Govindan Nair and Ramakrishna Pai. They are the characters in this novel, main characters in this novel. The next option D, Kantapura, tells us about the impact of freedom struggle in a small village called Kantapura. The main characters in this novel are Achaka, Rangamma, Beda Khan, etc. etc. Then question number 45. Next question, question number 45. The Lion and the Jewel and the Trials of Brother Jiro are the plays by option A, Ole Soyinka, Ngugi wa Thiong'o, Chinua Achebe, Christopher Okigbo. The correct answer is option A, Ole Soyinka. Ole Soyinka. And he is famous for his other works like Telephonic Conversation, Lion and Jewel. He is a Nigerian playwright and he received a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1986. The next writer is Ngugi wa Thiong'o, and he is a Kenyan writer who wrote in the language called Kikuyu. Then Chinua Achebe is also a Nigerian writer. He is famous for his works like Things Fall Apart, Arrow of God. Then Christopher Okigbo is also a famous Nigerian poet, teacher, died fighting for the independence of Biafra. His famous work is Labyrinth. The next question. Question number 46. Michael Odanchia won Booker Prize in 1992 for the work Option A, coming through slaughter. Option B, running in the family. Option C, the English patient. Option D, Anil's ghost. The correct answer is option C, the English patient. The correct answer is option C, the English patient. First, the coming through the slaughter is a winner of 1976 Books in Canada First Novel Award. It is a fictionalized version of the life of the New Orleans jazz pioneer Buddy Bolden. Then, Running in the Family. Running in the Family is a fictionalized memoir. The English Patient, it tells us about the story of Anzi, the titular character who comes under the nursing care of Hannah in Italy. He was after being burned unrecognizably. The next question number 47. Woman to Man 1949 and the other half 1966 are the collection of poetry by. The correct options are option A, A.D. Hope, B, Judith Wright, C, Les Murray, option D, Jill Jones. The correct answer is option B. Correct answer is option B, Judith Wright. The correct answer is option B, Judith Wright. The next question number 48. Mohan Biswas is the protagonist of the 1961 novel by Nobel laureate. The correct answer is option A, V.S. Naipaul. The correct answer is option A, V.S. Naipaul. And this is it is the character in the novel A House for Mr. Biswas. And it is the story of Mohan Biswas, who is a Hindu Indo-Trinidadian with an extra finger. He had an extra finger in his hand and he later marries Shama from Tulsi family. That is a plot of the story. Then next option B, Romain Rolland is a writer of 10-volume novel sequence, Jean Christopher. Then option C, Francois Maurice is a French novelist. And option D, Hermann Hesse is a German-Swiss poet. He is famous for his work, Siddhartha. Then the next question is, The Stone Angel in 1964 is a novel by A. E.J. Pratt, B. Sinclair Rose, C. Thompson Highway, D. Margaret Lawrence. The correct answer is Margaret Lawrence. She is best known for her series of 5 novels set in the fictitious town of Manawaka. And it tells a story. The Stone Angel tells us the story of a 19-year-old hugger who was now in an old age home. So it is a Stone Angel is a novel written by Margaret Lawrence. The correct answer is option D, Margaret Lawrence. Next question. Pure vowels are option A, monophthongs, diphthongs, triphthongs, D, vowel glides. The correct answer is option A, monophthongs. Diphthongs is a combination of two vowel sounds constituting a single syllable. Then triphthongs is a sequence of 3 vowel sounds. Then glides, glide is a diphthong. It's known as vowel glide because in the articulation of the sound the tongue glides from one vowel point to another. 51. Question number 51. Suprasegmental features of a speech are called dash. A. Melodic, B. Prosodic, C. Functional, D. Non-functional. The suprasegmental features of speech are also called B. Option correct answer is option B, prosodic. Then question number 52. English belongs to dash branch of Indo-European family of languages. English belongs to the dash branch of Indo-European family of languages. Option A, German. Option B, North Germanic. Option C, East Germanic. Option D, West Germanic. The correct answer is option D, West Germanic. The correct answer is option D, West Germanic. Question number 53. The analogical creation of a new word from an existing word wrongly assumed to be its derivative is called option A. Allegorism, option B. Anthroposemiosis, option C. Backformation, option D. Misetymology. The correct answer is option C. Backformation. For example, baby sit from baby sitter. And question number 54. The theologian who promoted the first complete translation of Bible into English was option A. Bishop Aldham, option B. The Venerable Bede, option C. Alfred the Grammarian, option D. John Wycliffe. The correct answer is option D. John Wycliffe is the correct answer. Question number 55. The word kindergarten was borrowed into English vocabulary from option A. Greek, option B. Latin, option C. Scandinavian, option D. German. The correct answer is option D. German.